Hi everyone, this is another unit of the ZENIT EM that I have. I'll show you the aesthetics. This is the front, one side, the other side, oh man, the top and the bottom. Okay, so this is the back. Sorry, the light meter for this one also is not responding. I'm gonna proceed to show you guys the shutter. So this is the inside. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna test the shutter speeds. This is 500. This is 250. This is 125. This is 60. This is 30. This is the bulb mode. Alright. So all shutter works. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.